in a Cartesian coordinate plane like this, we use coordinates to indicate the notation, indicate the location of a point, such as this distance from y-axis and distance from x-axis. From this we can get a location about P relative to the fixed point O. Similarly, we can describe a location of a point using another non-fixed reference point. In vectors, we use the term position vectors to describe the location of a point. We can describe the location of point A using this vector. This is called vector OA. This is also the position vector of A. Position vector of A. This is the position vector of point B. Normally we use notations like simple A for OA, simple B for OB,